So how do you fix the black lines on the iPad screen? Let me talk about it. If it's your first time being here, most definitely subscribe for more explanations and guides like this one. Okay, so if you notice some weird things going on in your iPad display, most definitely do the basic troubleshooting first. Like, of course, restart the iPad and like update to the latest operating system. But if it doesn't really help much, it's likely something with the display and the hardware of the actual screen, right? And in that case, it would make sense to check out what it is. And for that, I like to use the diagnostics apps. There are more of them which you can get on the App Store, and these apps are like allowing you to test out the digitizer, multi-touch, and LCD and all of those things. So there is this app, right? It is made for iPhone, so it works in the portrait orientation, but I can, for example, test out the digitizer. I can test out the multi-touch and do these things which basically decide for me if the iPad is faulty in any way or not. Because, the black lines could be like a software thing, or it could be like hardware mechanical thing. And, using this app, you can figure out what exactly is going on with your screen in terms of the hardware damage. So I find that to be very useful to at least know what's going on. But if you don't feel like you can really do anything about that, and especially, that the iPad has been some sort of damage, that it fell to the ground or something, then it's likely not going to be possible to be fixed with just, software changes and stuff like that. So you would have to have the iPad checked out and possibly fixed by a repair service. So I would really love to hear what you think about that below in the comments. I would love to know your situation. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope to see you later in the next videos and tutorials like this one.